Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker from Cultivating the Learning. In this quick episode, I want to show you how to use this new Explore button in the bottom right-hand corner by Google to help you quickly format your spreadsheet. This is already filled in. There are lots of answers and data. I'm going to click on the Explore button, and here under the formatting section, Google will automatically alternate coloring rows in the color that I pick. So I'm partial to blue, so I'm going to choose this blue, and you can see now how beautifully everything is formatted. If I move a row, see how it automatically reformats so that it's alternating rows. So let me just show, if I move this blue line in between these two blue lines, when I click off of it, it automatically readjusts. Super simple. If you like this or if it was helpful, please click the thumbs up underneath the video.